Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make gummy bears at home without gelatin and agar agar. This easy method uses fruit juice, a few common sweeteners, and pectin powder to create a delightful, chewy candy. You will need silicone molds, 2 small saucepans, and a candy thermometer to ensure perfect results. Let's get started on crafting these tasty, plant-based treats. First, in a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Stir these together over medium heat. Simultaneously, in a separate small saucepan, whisk 2 tablespoons of pectin powder with 1/2 cup of water until smooth. Bring this pectin mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Once the pectin mixture simmers, slowly add it to your heated fruit juice mixture, stirring continuously to combine thoroughly. Attach a candy thermometer to the side of the pan and continue cooking over medium heat until the mixture reaches precisely 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from heat, quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of citric acid, then immediately pour the warm liquid into your prepared silicone gummy bear molds. After filling your molds, let them cool at room temperature for about 1 hour. This initial cooling helps them firm up slightly before refrigeration. Then, transfer the molds to the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the gummies are completely firm. Once set, gently pop them out of their molds. For best results and to prevent sticking, roll your homemade gummies in a small amount of granulated sugar before storing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.